Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to set a limit order on CoinBase. And to be honest, it's quite simple because we are having here on the chart a buy and sell position where it's also saying limit, market and stop limit. So you can decide which limit type you want to use. I prefer the limit one. So from now, what we need to do is we need to fill in the limit price. And that means that he will only take that position when he will hit that price or something below there. And then after this, we fill in right in here the amount of US dollars, or select here Bitcoin to fill in the amount of Bitcoin that we want to create our position with. Then after that, we can click here on take profit or stop loss, and then fill in right here the percentage that it needs to increase to take your profits. And right here for stop loss, fill in the percentages that he needs to decrease to stop your losses. And then after that, you can click here on buy, and then you can create your own limit order. I don't have any money standing on this account, so right now it's just saying add funds to continue, but otherwise this button is blue and then you can create your limit order. So this is how you can set a limit order on CoinBase. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.